On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without investing anything and without any experience. This method is available worldwide, and the best part is that you don't need any skills to get started. All that you need to do is that you have to follow the steps in this video so that you can be making money with affiliate marketing. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. There are many of them. In this case, I'm using Digistore24. Digistore24 is available worldwide, and they have a lot of different methods of payment that you can use to receive your money once you earn a commission on this platform. You can receive your money through bank payment, you can receive your money through PayPal, you can receive your money through Payoneer. So any method that you want, you can use it to receive money on Digistore24. So just search for Digistore24. Once you search for it, you can create your free accounts and then begin to promote offers. Once you create your accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, marketplace, so that you can find offers to promote. Once you click on the marketplace, you're going to see a page like this. When you scroll down, you can see these are offers that you can promote to make money from home. You can see a whole lot of different offers that you can promote to earn money from home as a complete beginner. You can see a whole lot of them. You can see a whole lot of different products that you can promote. There are many of them, so any kind of product that you want, you can get it to promote. If you also want, you can sort the products based on different factors. For example, if you click right here, you can sort the products based on their popularity, based on their earning per sale, earning per cart vista, publication date, conversion rate. They also have cancellation rate. So if you want products that have lower cancellation rate, you can click on it and you are going to get those offers. If you want products that have high cart conversion rate, you can click on it and then get those products. The cart conversion rate is the number of people who click on the link of the product and then go ahead to make a purchase. So the higher the cart conversion rate, the likelihood that you make money promoting the offer. Apart from filtering the products based on these factors, you can also search for a specific category of products that you want. For example, if you come right here, you can see digital products. When you click on it, there are many categories of digital products that you can promote. As I scroll, you can see these are categories of digital products that you can promote to earn money from home. You can see a whole lot of them. Under each category, they have a lot of different available products that you can promote. You can see under food and drinks, they have about 46 available products that you can promote to earn a commission. Under fashion, they have 14. Under family and children, they have about 50 products that you can promote to earn money from home. Apart from the digital products, you can also promote physical products. All that you need to do is that you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see shipping products. The shipping products are physical products. So when you click on it, you can see they have skincare products, food supplements. The food supplements, most of them have higher commission rates. So if you promote them, you are likely going to be earning a lot of money, even if you get 2 sales per day or 3 sales per day. You can see this one, for example, the commission rate is $129.98 per every sale that you get. So even if you get 2 sales, you are going to be making more than $250 per day. So there are many of them. Just select the one that you want so that you can promote it to make money from home. In this case, I already have a specific product that I'm going to show you how you can promote it to make money. But you can select any product at all on this platform and then promote it to make money from home. In this case, I have a specific product that I want to promote. So let me show you so that if you want, you can also promote it. Let me scroll down to show you. This is the product that I want to promote. The name is Prodentin. Prodentin is a supplement that helps people to have healthy teeth and gums. So if you promote it, you are going to get people to purchase it so that you can be making money. You can see the cart conversion rate is good. It is 23% and the commission rate is also good, $125.39. So now what you have to do is that you have to begin promoting the product. To promote the product, click on it so that you can see more details of it. Once you click on it, you can see these are details of the product. You can see the price, you can see the commission rate, you can see many other details of the product. Now once that is done, the next step is that you have to click on sales page. Once you click on the sales page, you can be able to see more details about the product. As you can see, this is the sales page of the product. You can see When you scroll down, you can see more details about the product. You can see it right here. So just take time and then read through all the details so that you can get much better understanding of the product before you promote it. You can see a whole lot of different information. You can see your potential customers are going to get true bonuses once they make a purchase. You can see. So when you scroll down, you can see other details about the product. You can see the testimonials. You can see the different packages of the product. Your potential visitors can choose any package that they want and then make a purchase. You can see $69 per bottle, $49 per bottle, $59 per bottle. Any of them that they want, they can make a purchase. Once they make a purchase, you are going to be earning a commission rate. You can see the customers review. The product is getting 5-star reviews, meaning it is a good product. So when you promote it to people, once they purchase it, they are not going to seek for a refund. So this is one of the best products that you can promote. Once you have seen the landing page of the product, the next step is that you have to click right here, promote now. Once you click on it, you can be able to get your affiliate link so that you can promote it to people to make a purchase for you to earn money. So just click on copy promo link. Once you click on copy promo link, you have copied your affiliate link. The next step is that you have to find the traffic source whereby you can get people to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product for you to make money. There are many available traffic sources that you can use, but in this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be showing you a highly targeted free traffic source that you can use to get people to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product for you to make money. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is freebestads.com. Freebestads.com is one of the best traffic sources that you can use to target any part of the world that you want. And the best part is that they have a lot of different categories that you can post your ads without paying for anything. You can see these are the categories. You can see these are some categories that you can post your ad for free without paying for anything. You can see a whole lot of them. As a school, you can see a whole lot of different categories that you can post your ad without paying for anything. You can see these are ads that people have posted onto the platform. So you can also post your ad onto the platform and you're going to get people to purchase the product that you are promoting so that you can be making money from home. To post an ad, you don't need to create an account. All that you need to do is that you have to click right here, post free ad. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to select the location that you want to post an ad. You can see in the United States, these are cities that you can post your ad. You can see these are cities that you can post your ad. If you scroll down, you can select other countries. As I scroll down, you can see these are other countries that you can post your ad for free. You can see a whole lot of different countries that you can select to post an ad. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, we are targeting the United States. So just select any part of the United States that you want to post your ad. In this case, I want to select Braintree. So click on it. Once you click on the location that you want to post an ad, the next step is that you have to select the category that you want to post an ad. In this case, it is an item for sale, so select for sale. Once you click on for sale, you have to select the specific subcategory. You can see different subcategories. You can see a whole lot of them. Just select the one that best match the product that you are promoting. The product that you are promoting is a supplement, so you can select food and supplies. Once you click on it, the next step is that you have to type the title of your ad and then a description. The product that you are promoting is Prodentin, so you can type a catchy title that will get people to click on your ad and then make a purchase. If you want, you can also use ChatGPT to write the title and the description for you. So all that you need to do is that you have to search for ChatGPT. Once you search for it, you can create an account. As you can see, I've already written a description and a title. You can see this is my prompt. Write an ad description for Prodentin. So just type a prompt like this. Once you type the prompt, it will write a description like this so that you can use it on your ad. Once you have your description and the title, highlight your title and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you have to copy the description and then paste it. So come back, highlight the entire description, highlight everything. Once you highlight it, you have to copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to insert your affiliate link. You can see there's a call to action right here. Visit www.prodentin.com. So we have to insert our affiliate link here. To get your affiliate link, come back on the student for click on copy promo link. Once you click on it, it has been copied. Come back on your ad and then highlight your call to action. Highlight the part that you want to insert your affiliate link. Once you highlight it, click on this globe icon. Once that is done, delete this text and then paste your affiliate link here. Once that is done, click on OK. Once you click on OK, your affiliate link has been inserted. Scroll down so that you can see the preview of it. You can see this is the preview of it. Your affiliate link has been inserted. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to insert your affiliate link here. Once you insert your affiliate link, you can see the different options that you have. Do not display my email. Display my email on the site. Do not display my email but allow users to contact me through the contact form. So any of them that you want, you can choose it. In this case, I'm going to leave it at default. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to download the images of the product that you are promoting and then upload it. So you can search for the images of the product, or you can come back on this 24, click on affiliate support page. Once you click on it, you'll be able to get resources like images of the product. So once you click on it, you can see contact us. If you want, you can contact them so that they can provide you images and other resources that you can use to promote the product. They have a lot of different resources that you can use to promote the product. So all that you need to do is that to contact them. But in this case, we are not going to do that. What we want to do is that we want to search for the images of the product on Google. So just type the name of the product, Prodentum images. Just type the name of the product, Prodentum images. Just type and search for it. Once you type and search for it, you are going to see a page like this. Select images. Once you select images, these are images of the product. So now what you have to do is that you have to download them so that you can use them on your art. To download an image, right click on it. Once you right click on it, select save images. Once that is done, click on save so that you can save the image onto your device. Once you save the image onto your device, click right here, choose file. Once you click on it, select your image, click on open. Once that is done, click on choose file so that you can upload another image. You are allowed to upload up to 3 images, so just download as many as you want and then upload them on your ad. As you can see, I've uploaded 3 images. Once that is done, you can see people can contact me with commercial interest. If you want it, you can check the box. If you don't want it, you can leave. Once that is done, I agree to the terms of use by making a post. You have to check the box. Once that is done, you have to scroll down. They have different promotional options. So they have featured ad and they have extended ad. The extended ad, it means you want your ad to stay longer on the website. The featured ad means you want your ad to be placed at the topmost in each category. So if you want your ad to be placed at the topmost in the category that you are posting, you can click right here and then select any of these options that you can afford. You can see different options that you can select and then make a payment. The extended ad, if you also click on it, you can see these are different options that you can select. In this case, we are not going to select any of these options. We want to post our ad for free so that we can get people to purchase it before we can then invest in premium ads. So we want to post the ad for free. To post the ad for free, just leave everything none. Once that is done, click on post now. Once you click on post now, you can see congratulations, your ad successfully posted and live. So your ad has been successfully posted onto the website and you are going to be getting people to click on your affiliate link so that they can make a purchase for you to make money. Apart from this website, there's another website that you can also post your ad for free without paying for anything. The name of the website is commercialads.com. Just search for commercialads.com. Once you search for it, you can see this is the website. It resembles the first one that we posted. You can also post an ad on this website for free without registration. So search for commercialads.com. Once you search for it, follow the steps that I've shown you in the first website so that you can post your ad here for free without paying for anything. Make sure you go and take action so that you can be making money with this method. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.